Here is an easy way to make a store-bought treat your very own. To make these snacks, you need Little Debbie heart cakes, paper straws, Valentine's ribbon, and plastic wrap. Open the packets and remove the cakes. Cut off about a third of the straw and insert the straw into the bottom of each heart cake. Cut a piece of plastic wrap and lay it on a flat surface. Place the cake on the center of the plastic wrap and fold over the top. Pull the sides of the plastic wrap in, bunching the plastic wrap on the back. Now trim off any excess. Using a piece of ribbon, add a tie to the bottom of your heart and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.